What's up, Stushy? It's your girl Stushy back with another STUSHMAS video. So if you are new, my name is Stushy. Make sure that if you are new, you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. And make sure you guys also turn on your post notifications so that way you're alerted whenever I upload the next STUSHMAS video. If you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back to the channel, you guys. So today is actually STUSHMAS day 15, and today I'm going to be actually unboxing my Boxycharm box with you guys. So this is my second Boxycharm box. I unboxed November's Boxycharm box with you guys as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in this month's Boxycharm box, then stay tuned. Make sure you also watch this video until the very end. Make sure you watch this video in its entirety because there may or there may not be a giveaway in today's video. I don't know. You have to watch to find out. I don't know. There might be, there might not be. I don't know. I'm doing giveaways all STUSHMAS long, so you don't want to miss out. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So if you are unfamiliar with what Boxycharm is actually a beauty subscription box that gets sent to your door every single month. I got the box for $25, so you do get full-size products in each one of your Boxycharm boxes, and majority of the time the Boxycharm box that you get for the month is going to be worth more than the $25 that you pay for that actual box for the month. So if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll have my referral link down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out if you guys want to sign up. For $25, beauty items are going to come to my house, and they're brands that I probably either know, they're sold at Sephora, they're sold at Ulta, or they're brands that I might need to know about. So I went ahead and signed up. So I will note that I started this video already, right? I started this video maybe 15 minutes ago, and for some reason I looked down, my mic wasn't even on. My mic wasn't even turned on. And I thought I was unboxing it with you guys, but the mic wasn't even turned on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and roll a clip of me unboxing just to show you guys that I actually got it today and wanted to open it with you guys, and then we'll get right into the items that are actually in today's box. Let's go ahead and open her up again. So inside I could automatically see that I got a makeup eraser sponge, it seems like. I've been raving about makeup erasers in some of my recent STUSHMAS videos, so if you haven't already checked out the entire playlist for STUSHMAS, make sure you guys check that out. I'll link it up above. But I automatically see that I got something from Makeup Eraser, I got something from Tarte, something from MAC, something from Glamnetic, and it seems like there's something at the bottom. I thought this was it, but there's something hidden at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and dive through the box. But I also got the Boxycharm little card, and it says bubbles and glitz. Really cute. It's giving me like 2021 vibes, like New Year's vibes. So I'm assuming these are products that you should bring into the new year, that they figured you'd probably want to use maybe on like December 31st or something like that. So the first thing is the sponge by Makeup Eraser, and it's funny because I actually saw this on the Makeup Eraser site and I was like, this seems pretty interesting. It's basically a beauty sponge that you can wash. Obviously we wash all of our beauty sponges, but this one you can actually throw in the washing machine. So that's pretty interesting, just like the makeup erasers. If you guys are not familiar with makeup erasers, they're basically, hold on, let me grab one real quick. This is a mini one, and this is from their SpongeBob collection, but they're basically reusable makeup wipes that you can use to get rid of all your makeup using just water, and they definitely work. I'll leave a video up above showing you guys how I use mine, but this is the same company that made the makeup sponge, so I'm pretty interested in trying this out. I'll definitely be using this in an upcoming video. Let's see how much this makeup sponge by the Makeup Eraser retails for. So it retails for $18, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and they actually send you something for you to wash the actual sponge in. This is how it comes, and the sponge is in here. Burgundy color. It reminds me of like the Real Technique sponge. Feels pretty soft even though it's not even wet. So I'm very interested in trying this out, and I'll let you guys know like how it works, if how many times I can wash it, if I feel like it changes or anything after a couple washes. I actually saw it on the Makeup Eraser site and I'm like, I would actually try that. So I'm happy I didn't have to spend the money on Makeup Eraser site. I got sent to me in my Boxycharm box. The next thing that I got was this Tarte Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Now this mascara retails for $23, so add $2 to that, and we've already made the Boxycharm box for the month. We've already got our money's worth. It's showing you the before and after the mascara, so on top is the after, on the bottom is the before. This is in the color black. Not gonna open that right now. My eyes are pretty much done. I don't really need any mascara. The next thing that I got was this MAC lipstick in the color Marrakesh. Just off the packaging, I could tell that this is probably like a burgundy, maybe a deep brown. So it's actually looking like a reddish orange. This is what it looks like on Google. Let me see if I can find someone melanated wearing it. I sure did. This is what it looks like on a person of color. Really, really pretty actually. This has a no shine matte finish. Now I have a few MAC lipsticks, so I definitely know how the formulas of these lipsticks usually are, and they really do a good job at making lip products. They do a really good job at making both lipsticks and lip glosses, so I know this is gonna definitely give you that pigment as shown in the two pictures that I just showed you guys. MAC lipstick was actually $19. Okay. So the next thing in the box is this Glamnetic lash in the style Bella. Really, really cute packaging. Really, really pretty lash style. So I've heard of Glamnetic before. If you guys are new to my channel, hey. But if you are new here, I actually have my very own lash business. I'm wearing some of my own lashes right now. So I know I probably won't be using this. Magnetic lashes never really like jumped out at me. I was never really like interested in them. It's a pretty cool, pretty neat idea, but I feel like it's kind of weird to have magnets on my eyes. That's just me. But and my eyes are pretty sensitive anyways because I do wear contacts. So I don't know about how I feel about these, but this is pretty cool for anyone that struggles to apply their lashes or might want to, you know, test out magnetic lashes. I feel like this is a pretty good thing to send in a Boxycharm box. And they also sent the Glamnetic liquid magnetic eyeliner. So apparently you need to use the eyeliner to adhere the actual lashes because they're magnetic. So the formula for the eyeliner is going to help to adhere your lashes. So that's really cool. They sent them both together. So I guess once you run out of these lashes, if you decide to purchase some more lashes from Glamnetic, you already have the liner that you can use to, you know, apply the lashes from that brand. The Glamnetic Bella lashes and black liquid magnetic liner actually retails for $63. Cha-ching! And Bella is apparently a medium wispy flared lash that gives a classy and beautiful winged eye effect. So yes, that's really cool. Really love the packaging of this once again. And these lashes are actually really cute, really cool. The band seems to be pretty thick as well, so you might be able to get, you know, a couple wears out of this. And the last thing that came in my Boxycharm box was this iconic London palette. Is it a face palette? It is a face palette. This is the Blaze Chaser face palette. It has 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones, and this convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add a natural looking warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must have a lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. So I pulled up the palette online. This is what the palette looks like. It's really cute. I really like that blush shade, and I feel like the highlighter is really pretty as well. And this palette, this iconic London palette, actually retails for $55. And I actually, when I was looking up the palette, I realized that a lot of their items are on Sephora. So Iconic London is actually a brand that is carried at Sephora as well. So I found that that was pretty neat. So those are all the things that I got in December's Boxycharm box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tally everything up to see how much everything in this box comes up to. 55 plus 63 plus 23 plus 19 plus 18, $178 for all 5 items in my Boxycharm box for December. And I only paid $25 for this box to come to my door, to be delivered to my door. So I feel like that's a really good bang for your buck. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's giveaway. In today's video, I'll be giving away some of these items from my Boxycharm box. I'm going to be giving away the iconic London palette. There's a reason why I didn't open these items. Did anyone peep that? I'm going to be giving away my Glamnetic lashes. I'm also going to be giving away the liner that you need to adhere the lashes. I'm going to be giving away this Man-Eater mascara from Tarte, also a brand that's sold at Sephora. And I'm also going to be giving away this MAC lipstick in the color Marrakesh. So to win this giveaway, are you listening? You taking down notes? You first must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, right? You must have your post notifications turned on. You must thumbs this video up. You must leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're subscribed to Boxycharm or not. And you must also leave your Instagram handle in the comment. You must be following my Instagram at thestushlife. And once you've completed all these steps, go ahead and send me a DM screenshotting everything that you've done over to my Instagram at thestushlife. So at 12 o'clock tomorrow, when the next video drops, I'll go ahead and alert you guys of the giveaway winner. So with that being said, good luck to you, good luck to you, good luck to you, good luck to you. Best of luck to all of you guys that are going to be entering today's giveaway. I can't wait to ship all these goodies out to someone. I want to give back to y'all for the holidays. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up before heading out. Subscribe down below. You got to be subscribed anyway if you want to enter the giveaway. way. And make sure you also turn on your post notifications so that you're alerted whenever tomorrow's video drops. And with that being said, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye guys. There's a reason why I didn't open these packages, y'all. There's a reason why I didn't open half of these things, because I want you to have it. The video. This is me unboxing the video. And I'm also going to be giving away this